southwestern Fayette County in north central Georgia, southeastern Coweta County in west central Georgia, north central Meriwether County in west central Georgia, until 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time Tuesday. At 9:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy
Man, a million radios didn't go off. This includes 262 and this thing.
Rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fayetteville, Peachtree City, Tyrone, Sonoy, Mothersville, Sharpsburg, Turin, Harrelson, Starsville, and Rocky Mount. Turn around. Don T. Drown West.
Aha! They need the air roads.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 9 a.m. in Atlanta, heavy rain and fog were reported.
Finally! 262! Yes!
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern DeKalb County in
Perfect
north
activation.
Georgia, western Henry County in north central Georgia, southwestern Rockdale County in north central Georgia, north central Spalding County in west central Georgia, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time
262 finally
Tuesday.
went off.
At 10:07 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms
Please.
producing heavy rain.
Please.
Between 2 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include McDonough, Conyers, Stockbridge, Hampton, Sunnyside, Flippin, Eagles Landing, Richardson Park, Hidden Valley Park, Kellytown, Panola Mountain State Park, Arabia Mountain, and Snapfitter. Turn around. Don T. drowned when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots.